गोगळ मायणा कुट्टरी सुमार 60 वर्सां आदलो खुरीस मोडिल्ल्यान थळाव्यांनी हुस्को उक्तायला। थळाव्यांनी पुलीस कागाळ केल्या। वाठारांत पुलीस गस्त वाडोवपाची मागणी थळाव्यांनी केल्या। मायणा कुट्टरी गोगळ वाठारांत आशिल्लो सुमार 60 वर्सां आदलो खुरीस कोणी तरी येवन मोडून उडयला खंय। हे नवे न्हू, हाच्या आदी अशीच घडणूक जाल्ल्याचे थळाव्यांनी सांगले। तेच बरोबर वाठारांत पुलीस गस्त वाडोवपाचे थळाव्यांनी मागला।
Cross was built in memory of my uncle who passed away when he was 8 years old of drowning in the ditch behind, basically of drowning. So it was built in 1959 or 60 probably. So we don't know when it was built, but it has been the fourth time that this thing has happened. So it's like we are shocked and we don't know who's doing it. We can't say communal violence, but it is causing tension to us because we don't know. Today it's this cross, which is a very small structure. Tomorrow it could be anything else. It could be the church also. So when it is a small thing, we want to report it because we don't want to get to a point where bigger structures are attacked. Cops were given the complaint yesterday and then we had informed them that we need patrolling to be started from last night. But they didn't come last night, but they came today afternoon. By then the cross was already broken because we said that the cross is damaged and we cannot wait until the cross is completely broken. So please start the patrolling last night itself. But there was nothing that happened yesterday. But today afternoon, after we pressurized basically from media and all that, then they came here and they've inspected the site.
आम्ही आता गोगाळीन मायणा आहे हिंगा आमचो एक पूर्वजालो खुरीस म्हणजे जायते वर्सां पयलीं खुरीस 1959 तो हांगासर बांदलेलो आनी तितली वर्सां हो खुरीस बरे भशेन आसलो। पूण पळोवपाक गेल्यार ह्या वर्साचे सिलिंडर कोणें तरी हो खुरीस वयलो पाट आहा तो मोडलो। त्या उपरांत आमी व्हडलें हें घेवन कित्याक फर्स्ट टायम जाल्लें परतून तो आमी बांदून गेलो। पूण आतां 4 दीस पयले तो खुरीस येवन आनी कोणें तरी मोडून उडयलो। तो आमी कांयच हें करून नासतना पूण आमकां दूख जाली कित्याक आमचो एक सिंबल हो आमगेलो कॅथलिकाचो सिंबल जो हिंगा आहा तो बिकॉज हिंगा सगळीं रावपी आहाय ते मोस्टली कॅथलीक। सो तेणी मोडलो परतून आनीक आमी 2 दिसां पयलो परतून बांदलो। राती जाल्यार परतून मोडलेलो आहा।
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नाईक राऊत, गौतमी गांवकार आनी सानिका नागवेकर।